channel, The English Castle. In today's video, we are going to learn about nouns. In last video, we learned about parts of speech. So nouns are parts of speech, and today we are going to study in detail about nouns. So there are 10 types of nouns and all have a different role to play. The first one is common noun. As we all have studied, common noun means a noun which is not specific, which does not have a special name. For example, pen, book, keyboard. So these all are common nouns because they don't have names. Some more common nouns are teacher, doctor, school, city. They all are common nouns because they don't have a specific name or a special name. Now we go to the next one, that is proper noun. A proper noun means things which have got special names, things which have got specific names. So they are called special nouns or proper nouns. For example, Mumbai. For example, Sophia ma'am, Dr. Pathak. And when I'm talking about proper nouns, it can be St. John's Convent School. It can be Mumbai City. Okay. So these all are proper nouns. When we have given a specific name to a noun, that is called proper noun. The next one is in the lead is abstract noun. Things which we feel, they are emotions or what we perceive. Okay. So that is which we cannot see, but we feel, that is love, pride, guilty, happiness, honesty. We all can feel that. But these things cannot be seen. So they are called abstract nouns. The next one is concrete noun. Something that you can perceive with your five senses, like apple, lion, flowers, whatever you can see. They all are concrete nouns. The next one is countable noun. Things which you can count, like pens, paper, pencils, apples, train, clock, colors. These all things are countable. They can be counted. Things which cannot be counted are called uncountable noun, like hair, rice, salt, oil, milk. They are all under the category of uncountable nouns. The next one is compound noun. When two words are joined together to make a new word, is called a compound noun. That is a rainbow. Rain plus bow is rainbow. Strawberry. Straw plus berry is strawberry. So they are compound nouns. Then the next one is collective noun. Collective noun is army of soldiers, colony of ants, group of people, bench of judges, committee of members. So the word which I have used for a specific group like committee, bench, group, they are called collective noun. The next one is singular noun. The noun which is one in number. For example, pen, book, boy, girl, house. They are one in number. So that is why they are called singular noun. Plural nouns, the nouns which are many in number. So they are ships, cats, dogs, boys, paper, books. So today we have learned about nouns and it is one of the parts of speech. Wait for more videos for other parts of speech. Till then, happy learning. Bye.